Describe woman in one word.
Huh? Huh?
Describe woman in one word.
Woman can be described in one word. There are many things: strength, love, mother, wife, sister. So, woman cannot be described in one word. They're a whole entire universe. Actually, take it multiverse.
I called women as a resilient.
Beautiful.
Goddess.
Lovely.
नारीलाई पहिलो कुरो चाहिँ नारी नम्बर फर्स्ट भन्छन् है। त्यस कारणले गर्दाखेरि उसले चाहिँ उसलाई चाहिँ एकदम ध्यान आकर्षण गरेर मान्नुपर्छ।
Women are emotionally strong.
Beautiful. Independent, strong, आणि love नाही हो.
Power.
Strength.